So now let's see how we can utilize the watercolor effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around onto the file menu and then go around onto the import section right here. So now in order to apply the watercolor effect to an image, I'm simply going to go ahead and import out an image of my choice right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and bring in this flower. So now in order to go ahead and apply the watercolor effect onto this, I'm going to go around under effects right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead under art strokes. And here you can see that watercolor is in effect right here. So once you go ahead and select that out, you can see that the image turns into watercolor just like this. You can change around the brush size as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and increase out the brush size as you like. And then you get the effect as you see right here. You can also go around, change around the granulation right here. And as you change around this slider, you can see that you get the similar effect right here. You can also go around and change around the water amount right here to get more of a watercolor effect right here, just like this as well. So as it loads, you can see that it becomes more like watercolor. You can also go around and then let's say bleed it out so that it seems as if the watercolor is spilling out. Then you can go ahead and control out the brightness of the overall image as well, just like this. So let's just go ahead, decrease out the brightness, and you can see that it decreases out the overall brightness right here. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the watercolor effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.